So we're down here in Charlton in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project for the customer is, as normal, brick cleaning all the brickwork back to its natural colour. Once all of the brickwork's been cleaned, we're going to be cutting out all the old cement, pointing all on the brickwork. I've got quite a few bricks that are going to need replacing on this property. There's been quite a lot of repairs being done in the past in sand and cement, so cut all the bad bricks out. I'm going to be replacing all of them with matching imperial bricks. We're going to be repointing all in natural lime mortar. We're going to do some samples for the customer, so the customer can have a little look at all the finishes and see what style they prefer to go with. What else we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the paint and taking everything back to natural stone. We did a house, we've done quite a few houses on this street, done a few back to natural stone, so the customer knows exactly what finish they want to go for on the stonework. So all of this loose flaky paint, that'll all come off. Got the nice bath stone underneath to work with, so it's just completely get all of this back to natural stone. Like I say, more bad bricks to cut out and replace, it's no problem. So there will be quite a lot to do here. All of these where they've just had been face repairs in the past, we do all of them properly. Yeah, same sort of thing again, just completely rotten away now. Up on the top elevation, all of the gable work, might have to do some repairs or replace some of these floral detailed brickwork. They're completely rotten away as well. All of this back to natural stone. Bit of facial board work underneath here. I've got to do some work to the parapet there as well. Some render work on here is all blown. Or more cracking going through the brickwork, so it does need quite a bit of attention, this house, but nothing we can't restore. So we will show you some more progress in the next week and a half, couple of weeks, get it all clean, cut out, get them samples done, start stripping all of that paint off all of this stonework. This is going to come up really nice, this project. Lads are getting everything prepped up this morning, getting all of the downpipes off, get everything prepped up, window sheeted up as normal. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.